What if this little gadget gets you pulled aside by airport security, questioned by police, or even has your device taken away? Now, that fear doesn't have to be your reality when you fly. Thousands of hackers, tech enthusiasts, and pen testers fly with this exact tool every single day without a problem. What's the difference? They know how to handle it to ensure both they and their powerful multi-tool arrive safely. I'm Jay Blanked, and today I'm going to break down the simple secrets to flying with your Flipper Zero without any trouble. So what's the big deal? Why might this little dolphin-themed device make airport security nervous? Well, put yourself in their shoes. It's not a toy. It's a professional tool that can interact with the very systems that keep an airport secure. The Flipper Zero can read and copy RFID and NFC signals, the same tech used in countless employee access badges. It also interacts with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and other radio frequencies. Well, to a TSA agent, a device that could potentially clone a security pass or interfere with communications is a massive red flag. They aren't worried about you changing the channel at the airport. They're worried about keeping secure areas secure. While owning a Flipper is perfectly legal in the US and most of Europe, airport security has a lot of discretion. Now, if they think an item is a threat, they have the authority to confiscate it, a situation no traveler wants to face. Now, that uncertainty is the real problem here. So, what's the secret that thousands of people who travel with this thing know? Well, it boils down to a simple rule. Treat it like any other piece of professional electronic gear. That means you need to be prepared, be honest, and know the rules before you even think about flying. It sounds almost too simple, right? But doing it the right way is what makes all the difference. Now, this isn't about trying to hide your Flipper, it's about handling the situation with confidence. So, what does that actually look like when you're packing your bags? Well, first, get it ready for travel. Before you head to the airport, power your Flipper all the way down, not sleep mode, fully off. This keeps it from accidentally transmitting any signals. And now for the big question, carry-on or checked bag? Some people might suggest putting it in your checked luggage to avoid questions, but the official guideline is clear. The TSA and FAA recommend that devices containing lithium batteries should be kept in your carry-on luggage. If that battery has a problem, you want it in the cabin where it can be dealt with, not in the cargo hold. So pack it in your carry-on, but don't give it a special spot. Just bundle it with other cables, chargers, and electronics so it doesn't stand out on the X-ray. Second, be ready to explain what it is, calmly and honestly. Don't be a smart aleck. For example, telling a security agent it could copy their access badges is a perfect example of what not to do. If a TSA agent pulls it aside and asks what it is, have a simple, boring, and truthful answer ready. A great one is, it's a development and testing multi-tool for programmers and security researchers. Leading with honesty shows you have nothing to hide. And remember, TSA can ask you to power on any electronic device, so make sure it has enough battery to boot up. Third, know the laws where you're going. While the Flipper is legal to own in most places, some countries have cracked down hard. Brazil, for instance, has been seizing shipments, with its telecommunications agency arguing it could be used for illicit purposes. Before you travel internationally, just do a quick search to make sure you won't have it taken by customs when you land. If you want more practical guides for using your Flipper Zero responsibly and exploring what it can really do, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Let's be real for a second. Despite what you might see online, You're not going to shut down an airport or steal a modern car with a stock Flipper Zero. It's an incredible learning tool, but its real-world hacking powers are often way overblown. Flying with your Flipper Zero doesn't have to be a stressful game of chance. It's not about smuggling some forbidden gadget. It's about being a responsible owner of a powerful tool. If you pack it right, have a straightforward answer ready, and know the local rules, you can walk through security with confidence. So next time you're packing, you can be sure that both you and your little dolphin friend will make it to your destination, no trouble at all. I'm Jay Blank. Thanks for watching. Peace.